Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the new Honor 5 versus Lemof F9. As you can see in the right, we have the new Huawei Honor 5, and for today's his competition is the Lemof F9. If you haven't saw some videos in our channel with the F9 from Lemof, I highly recommend you to go and watch in details for this smartwatch. The Lemof F9 is a pretty good smartwatch that we unboxed in previous videos. So let's go ahead first with the Honor 5. Let's see what we have here. In the first page we have the date, the time, weather and steps. Next we have steps, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, workout. Here in workout we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor cycling, elliptical, rower, pool and free training. Next we have Alipay, more, and here in more we have timer, stopwatch, phases, find phone, brightness, screen on, battery and system. So that's pretty much it for the Honor 5. Let's go straight to the Lemof. We have here in the first page we have the time, steps, heart rate and the date. Next we have burn calories and kilometer or the distance. Here we have the blood pressure, we have the blood oxygen, sleep, sport. Here in sport we have run, walk, climbing, football, badminton, cycling, table tennis, basketball, swimming, etc. Next we have messages, timer, find phone, theme. Here we can change the theme of the smartwatch, brightness and power off. So as we can see in both of these smartwatches we have a pretty amount of good of options, and as we can see we can customize a few of them. And here we have the apps that they use. The Lemof F9 uses the Wear Health app, and the Honor 5 uses the Huawei Health. So we can know now that which one is used by which smartwatch. Let's go ahead now and see what we got from the apps, starting with the Wear Health. I'm gonna deny it for now, we are going to connect it later, but for now we can see that in the first page we have all the measurement, blood pressure and blood oxygen and all these stuff. We have here sport, sleep and heart rate. For each individual options we can go here, for example, to sport to see the statistic for a day, week or a month. Even though we can change the date, for example we can see yesterday or a week before, all the statistic and all the data will be saved right here. Same with the sleep and heart rate. Next we have sport. Here in sport we can see the map Where exactly are we? We press go and the map will activate. Here is same as some apps that use the friends. Here you can add a friend. If your friend uses the same app as you can add them right here. For now we don't have any friends that use this app, so we are going to go in the next and the last page, which is mine. Here we can see the profile that we are using right now. We have our name, our picture, ID number, and next we have connected device, target for steps, target for sleep, device management, shake snapshot, find device, and operation instruction. So this page is very useful because you can customize your options for your own preference. For example, you can go to target, steps, and you can customize it how you want it, and same with sleep or other management right here. So this was pretty much it for the Wear Health app. Let's go now to the health or Huawei Health, how you want to call it. In the first page we have today's activities. Here in this part with orange or whatever color that is, we have here steps, minutes, miles, and burned calories. Next we have exercise records, heart rate, sleep, weight, and stress monitoring. Next we have exercise. As I said in the previous videos, we have here outdoor run, walking and cycling with Google Map GPS, so you can see yourself where are you running, for how long, and all this kind of information. We have here indoor run and training, which is two different exercise method, and they don't use GPS as these do. Next we have device page. Here we can see the device that we connected before. As you can see, we have the Honor 5 and Honor 4. We can add another device or just connect these that we added before. And the last is me, which is the customization part, or the more option, if you want to call that, a more option part. Here you can go to messages, achievement, weekly, monthly report, my plans, profile, settings, and about. Here in profile you have to fill out your information, and in settings you have more options to customize for your own preference. As you can see, both of these watch works really good, and the apps works too, so we don't have any trouble with that. So guys, this was all for today's video in Honor 5 versus the Huawei F9. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and I will try to reply to you all. I will thank you for your time and your support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, keep supporting us, and we will see you in the next time.